Here it is finished up. I just need to put another strap on here to hold the GoPro. But just wanted to give you an overall look at the finished product. It came out pretty nice. I got my heat sink on the video transmitter. Everything's taped up. I have it flashed with Betaflight 3.3.1 at this point in time. That's the latest. Camera's installed and all set up. Sorry about the lighting, guys. I know it's not that great here. This mount here, I put this stuff, green stuff, it's called Zeal, and it's really old school. I used it way back when I used to fly helicopters, and we would mount the gyros on that. But it works pretty good for a HD camera mount. It gives it kind of a cushion and eliminates most of the vibrations. And then just the back of a strap with the rubber part, old strap I cut off, put it on there just for some grip. That's what I do on most of my camera mounts for holding the GoPro, and it works pretty good for me anyway. But there it is. I'm going to be taking it out today. Today's supposed to be kind of a crummy day. There's my custom homemade antenna. I have a video showing how I did this with Gorilla Glue, and it's just a homemade what do you call those things? Circular polarized antenna for 5.8, but it helps protect it. I painted it black to make it look decent, but it helps protect it from getting smashed or caught on weeds and so forth. It's supposed to be kind of a crummy, windy day, but I'm dying to give this thing a fly and see how it does. So I'm gonna take it out to the field and include some video if I get some decent video of some of its maiden flights, and maybe a little bit of flights as I try to get it tuned. I'm not expecting it to require a lot of tuning, but heck, who knows? It is a 6-inch. So thanks for watching the videos, guys. Hope you enjoy the flight. Well, we made it out here. It's a bit breezy. Definitely overcast and cloudy. It looks like it's going to rain, so hopefully we can get a few packs in here and see how this thing flies. Okay, first flight. Motors just barely warmed to the touch, but that wasn't very hard flying. I noticed it has some mid-throttle or some oscillations. Definitely could be these props. I'm going to get some better props. This is all I had laying around, so let me try a couple more packs and see how it goes.